Hello everyone, welcome to the world of endless Haran learning. Today our question topic area is installation of a nasal spray. I hope some of you have an idea about this, but I would recommend to watch this video because it is very important to know each and every step of the installation of nasal spray. Because sometimes we can expect drag and drop questions. That time we should have a clear picture about each and every step and how the steps will come one by one. So we'll start with a question. Maybe you're thinking that why I'm suddenly starting with a question. Because I found this is one of the effective strategic method to understand and keep the topic areas in our memory for a long time. This is my personal experience as well as some of my friends and colleagues. They said that if we are studying in such a way, the points or the topic what we are discussing will stay long in our memory. Why? Because you know that when we are getting a question, maybe for an exam or whatever the purpose, always we are looking for the correct answer. And if that time somebody would help you to tackle those questions or find out the correct answer, definitely you will remember that person and you will remember how that person helped you to find out the correct answer. So in such a way I'm putting a questions and we are going to the points. So while we are discussing the point, you will remember that and that will help you to find out the correct answer. Is that okay? Let us start. I will read the question. The nurse observes a client self-administering nasal fluticasone. Which observation would require the nurse to intervene and provide further teaching? So I will read by the question. In the question, the nurse see that or observing a patient herself or himself self-administering the nasal fluticasone. While she is doing, there are some wrong state or the way she is doing it is not the appropriate, the correct way. That's why she need further teaching. So in the option we are looking for a wrong statement or an inappropriate procedure method for the nasal spray installation or the administration. I will read the options one by one. The first option, a sitting position is assumed and the head is bowed slightly forward. The second position, if the client points the spray tip towards the nasal septum during the installation. Third option, if the nasal spray tip is inserted into the nostril as the other nostril is occluded. Fourth option, while administering the medication, if the client inhales deeply through the nose. So these are the four options. Some of you might get the correct answer, but before finding the correct answer, we'll see some of the points or the steps of the procedure this topic. Okay, the main point is that or the initial step of the nasal spray installation is to provide a comfortable position to the patient, which will help to reach the medication into the nasal passage and will get the complete effect. So what is that position? High Fowler's position with the head tilted slightly forward. Then what's the next step? So now we provide the position. The patient is comfortable. So what we will do? Next, we will insert the nasal spray nozzle into the open nostril. That time we are occluding the another nostril with a finger. So we are inserting to one nostril and at the same time we are occluding the another nostril with a finger. Then the next step, point the nasal spray tip away towards the side and away from the center of the nose or away from the nasal septum. Might be you are thinking, we saw some option related to this. So it should be away from the center of the nose and towards the side of the nostril. Then the next step, spray the medication into the nose while inhaling deeply through the nose. So we should instruct the client when they are spraying the medication into the nose, should be inhale deeply. Then the next step, remove the nozzle from the nose and instruct the client to breathe through the mouth. So then the next step, we should tell the client or we should educate the client to repeat the step for the under nostril, same as the one what we discussed before. Then the last one, we should educate the client should not blow the nose for some minutes for several minutes immediately after the installation of nasal spray. or blot a runny nose with a facial tissue. This is clear. So we have a total 7 steps and we know how we are doing in a proper way. Now we will go back to our question options. See, here the first option they said a sitting position is assumed as the head is bowed slightly forward. That is correct. We already said that is our first point that we studied. In a high forward position with the head slightly little tilted or bowed little forward. Then the next option they said the client points the spray tip towards the nasal septum during instillation. That is a wrong statement. We studied that if the tip of the nasal spray or the nostril, it should be away from the center of the nose, or it should be away from the nasal septum and towards the side of the nostril. So that is the wrong statement. If the client is self-administering nasal spray in such a way, this is the wrong method the client is doing or administering this medication. So we should educate the client. This is not the way. You should hold this tip of the or the nostril of the nasal spray just towards the side of the nostril, and it should be away from the center of the nose. We'll see other two options also. The nasal spray tip is inserted into the nostril as the other nostril is circular. We already said that while we are administering, the one nostril should be closed with a finger while administering to the another nostril. Then the fourth option, while administering the medication, the client inhales deeply through the nose. That one also we said, that was our fourth steps. While administering the medication, the client should breathe deeply through the nose. So is that clear? I hope it is clear to you. So if you like the way we are discussing the questions, please like our video, and if you have any suggestions or any comments, any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Bye bye.